The video file got corrupted while it was being transferred. I apologize for the poor quality, but y'all deserve a video nevertheless.
Yo, YouTube, back in the place. Part 4. I which episode today? Episode 4. I never remember how we there, you know. But we're there, you know, back in a May pen. It's our last day in a May pen. We are going after this. We hope to give it a 5 grand. Yeah. We hope to give it 10 grand. All 15 grand more and give it in our place. People them just need to get it right. Right now we are looking for victim them. 1 TK the back of the camera. Follow him on the Instagram, see it over here. So I eat that over there, so no. I eat that. Follow him on TikTok, see TikTok over here, so. Mad. Watch you know. We start the video now, you know. We jump straight tonight. You want to try? Aye. Them no want to try. Forward, take a walk with me. So 5,000 up on the line. Watch your style.
So you know you don't have no money.
Damn.
Alright, so we're there with the brightest fitting them in a May pen right now. We just wanted to introduce yourself.
My name is Chrisani.
My name is Akim.
We not shout out TikTok or you good?
Not a TikTok.
Kim Turu.
My name is Lee. Follow me on Jam at Lee Muskama.
My name is Tiny.
Joshua.
Why I see that underscore JJ on the gram. Search me.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
He needs some milk.
Akim.
Sakara.
Boom boom, one boom boom.
Ready? We want to introduce yourself. Shout out the gram.
One sinner on Insta. Scholar school, man.
No say phone not active right now, bro, to be honest.
Jaja.
J.
Jada.
Alright, she don't have no name. Okay. Competing to win $5,000. 3 simple questions. First question. What goes up but never comes down?
Elevator.
And what goes up and never come down?
Elevator.
That's serious?
What goes up and never comes down?
Age.
You guys can ain't sure no? You sure? Alright, one that it is.
Your age.
Age.
Your age.
Age?
Age. Age.
Your age.
Oh, hold on.
I would say elevator.
Oh, no, get me mixed up.
The second question. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Words.
Words?
Yeah.
So words disappear as you say it?
You say it and it be gone.
But we are say it right now and we hear the words them same, right?
You hear it,
But it not disappear.
I know that one, yeah.
You sure?
They say, what disappear as soon as they say it?
Yeah.
Words.
Who?
What disappears? As soon as I said. As soon as I said it disappeared.
Yeah. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Disappear.
What?
What?
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Money.
No.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Words.
Shut up your mouth, man.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
As soon as I say
Words.
Words. Positive. That wrong, you know.
Alright, watch out though. What disappear as soon as they say it?
Yeah.
Thoughts.
Thoughts?
Word.
Sure? 5,000 up on the line, you know. Listen again. What disappears as soon as you say it?
But I know that one, I asked my different one.
Say question again.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
As soon as we say it.
Oxygen.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Ah, wait. Let me think about it. As soon as we say it disappear. The word in my mind.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
What disappear after me say it?
Yeah.
Words. No. We don't know that one. Skip that one.
Skip.
Yeah. What disappear as soon as?
Yeah, as soon as you say it. Wait, say. Words? No, that wrong.
Hold on.
What I say? Let me see the feel of that.
Hold on. Yo, stop it.
Oh, sorry.
Stop it, man. Alright, hold on. Come on, man.
What you say, Michi?
You know, say words look well.
A words me here too on the say now. What you say?
I may have
Hold
followed
on.
right this.
Yeah, words.
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 What you say?
I work with my team.
You work with the team.
Words.
You work with the team.
Words.
What want to say team wrong?
But think about. Hold on.
What time ago?
Yo, we could come back to that question. Can I come back to that question?
You want to come back to it? Alright.
What disappear as soon as I say it?
Yeah.
Brother, the answer in that question, though.
Or the question, not the answer.
Really, nigga?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
What you say?
We're here, man.
Ear?
You can't say here.
May I go to one more chance?
What disappear as I say.
What disappear as soon as you say it?
Disappear.
The word in your mind?
Yeah, it disappear. I'm about to say it.
Boy, if you don't.
What disappear as soon as I say it?
Yeah.
The one day opposing me. The one day opposing me. And they opposing me for two.
Wait, say you don't know that one day?
No, the one day.
Yo.
That's a dopey that.
You need a trouble, you know. Yeah, trouble there, you boy.
Yeah, brother, no. You know, saying in real life, I disappear, though.
Silence. As soon as I say silence, the place is silent again. Say silence disappear. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Silence.
Can you repeat the question?
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Silence. Silence.
Okay. Silence.
That's it?
Yeah,
That's
sure.
him alone answer? Alright.
Sure.
Alright.
We give up.
You give up? The answer is silence. But last one. If a red man living at the red house and the blue man living at the blue house, who living at the white house?
White man.
If the red man living at a red house, the blue man living at a blue house, who living at the white house?
My white man. Who?
Who?
If a red man living at a red house and a blue man living at a blue house, who living at the white house?
White man.
Alright. If the red man living at a red house, blue man living at a blue house, who living at the white house?
White man.
White man.
You favor, idiot.
Jesus. God.
What you say? White man?
Repeat that.
What you say? Who?
Repeat that.
If the blue man living at the blue house, the red man living at the red house, who living at the white house?
Who?
Who?
Yeah.
You sure?
That wrong, you know?
That wrong.
A white man.
Where's the white man? What you say?
Anything in song.
That wrong too. Listen again. If the red man live in a red house, the blue man live in a blue house, who live in the white house?
There's no white house. You don't mention no white house. Nobody lives in a white house.
What you say?
Just tell me.
White man.
White man.
White man. White man, dog. White.
The white man.
No white man.
The white man.
God, please, no! 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 No!
I mean,
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I guess it's so easy.
Who only said that?
Alright, the black man live in a white house.
You live in a white house.
the white house me live in a brother.
We don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
I must, cause how much black man me know live in a white house?
Yo, one more chance, bro. Red man live in a red house. Blue man live in a blue house. Who live in the white house?
Oh! Oh! Jump! 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 Jump, man! Jump! Red man in a red house, blue man in a blue house. Who live in a white house? The president. Me tough dog.
Mad.
Donald Trump. President America.
Repeat the one. Repeat the one.
If the red man live in a red house, blue man live in a blue house, who live in the white house?
Live in a white house. Jump. Jump.
You laugh, you talk about it, right?
Jump.
The president. Actually, that.
Yeah, we come back to it.
No, actually, that.
Y'all win.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
so,
one.
pack up your money.
You can spell, right? You can spell?
Yeah, me can spell.
Alright, more you spell the word candy, only using 2 letters.
What?
More you spell the word candy, only using 2 letters.
That odd. Candy, no, yet there. See why?
See why? That's your final answer?
Yeah,
See why? Are your final answer?
yeah,
You sure?
yeah.
You not say that because the crowd says so.
No.
They must set you up, you know.
I see why I say.
See why? You sure?
Yeah.
Well, that wrong. The answer is C and Y.
But they're basically the same thing.
No. Oh, you spell the word and.
ND.
Put C in front of it
Oh.
and put Y. Okay.
Why I feel like me done?
Now you see the birthday thing, man. We're there with the birthday suit and I'm here pen right now.
Well, I know where my top.
Yo, YouTube, we're back in our place. I know some tell so we not forward back at me pen. But somebody bad me up and tell me say me need for forward back, bro. So we're there back in our me pen once again. I ask the question them, 3 little question and we win $5,000. 5,000 like simple. Last week some people win it. Me have to give them 15 grand. Oh my god. Me wonder who gonna win it that week, yeah. That one know. So right now we are go out now and see if we get no people. One TK they black at the camera. See him Instagram over here so. TikTok they over the side yeah. Watch your style yeah. We are go straight in it right now. Forward. Alright, somebody I would want to subscribe to them. Just because she subscribe, a 10,000 me I give her if she answer all 3 questions correctly. You ready?
Yeah.
Why you shout out yourself? What's your name?
Name Tejane Reed. You can follow me on Insta and TikTok at tis_Tejane16. My name Tashana.
Could you do you want you could do
You forgot your name?
Tashana. Kamisha.
You can shout out the grammar on TikTok.
TikTok is 1Kimi_love. Instagram is pretty that underscore Tashi.
Sheridan Powell.
Jaden son.
Javier Tambe.
You know, say I want Dante upon number 2.
Slime.
They got a jagger.
Nah, shout out the grandma the TikTok.
Gram, a little underscore boy.
Just that guy on TikTok.
Say I want a Johnny Paniak, man, you know.
My name Sia. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's gotta love Sia underscore gotta love Sia.
Alright. KJ, me and KJ. Alright, that's it. Alright, you know. First question. What's a 3-letter word that starts with guess?
Repeat.
What's a 3-letter word that starts with guess?
Not 3-letter word that start with guess. Guess I want 3-letter word.
Yeah, boy.
Give me a 3-letter word that starts with guess.
What?
A 3-letter word that starts with guess.
3-letter word start with gas. Wait, repeat the question.
Could I get a 3-letter word that starts with guess?
Yes. Yes.
Answer or not answer, ask me.
Answer. Yes.
What you say?
No, sir. 3-letter word that start with gas. Say gas. Me go with that.
You say guess? Not wrong, you know. Give me a 3-letter word that start with guess.
Yes. Let me try. What kind of dunce is it, dog?
You are something else. You know that? You are something else.
Yeah.
Hold on.
What you say?
I guess.
Guess?
I guess.
What you say? I'm also guess.
Yeah.
That wrong, you know.
What?
That wrong. Give me a 3-letter word to start with guess.
Guess. 3-letter word that start with guess. 3-letter word that start with guess. Guess pan.
Give me a 3-letter word to start with guess.
Yo,
What you talk about?
Bad man, I can't get down that dog.
A simple 1, 2, 3, man.
Simple what?
Where you go?
Yo, give me even question, dog.
You like that one day?
Yes. That makes sense.
Where you say you follow him?
Yeah.
That's wrong. Give me a 3-letter word to start with guess. Guess.
Yes. 3-letter word that start with yes.
Yeah. Is it?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes. 3-letter word. Yes.
Use up your mic. What you say? What?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
3-letter word that start with yes.
Yeah.
No guess.
Make you one more chance. One last chance. Give me a 3-letter word that starts with guess.
3-letter word. 3-letter.
One more chance. Give me a 3-letter word to start with guess.
3-letter word. May I eat that?
Just one more.
3-letter word that start with yes.
Yeah.
A 3-letter word can start with yes.
Okay. 3-letter word to start with yes.
Yes.
3-letter
I need a 3-letter word that starts with guess.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you one last chance.
Yes.
Guess what you say?
Yes. Yes.
Give me a 3-letter word to start with guess. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. No worries.
Yes.
Boy, if you don't.
So, yeah. I'm gonna tell you. Yeah. Fun.
Pan?
Yeah.
No, man. One last chance. A 3-letter word to start with guess.
3-letter word that start with gas.
Yeah.
Can't shame them. You wait. It'll come, man.
Yeah.
3-letter word is now, I guess. Tell me never smart. Me no cut out if you listen up. Me no smart like that.
Charge, I say gas oil. Where you say? Where you say gas pan? And I eat that, you know. We want another 3-letter word to start with gas.
Let me see. No.
3-letter word. I want a 3-letter word that starts with gas.
Feel bomb.
I don't know that one.
You know that one? Yeah? It's car.
Oh!
Alright, I'm gonna know that. Me gone down.
You give up?
Yeah.
Car.
Car.
Car start with gas.
Yo, car. Be safe.
Really, nigga?
Because we need gas to start the car.
Oh!
Me give up, you know. Me give up.
You give up? Car.
Oh!
Right now. I go to gas one.
Car.
Oh, it start with gas, brother.
Car start with gas. Get it?
Give me a question here. Oh, okay.
You get it?
Okay.
Okay. Wow. What is? Car.
Box, bro, box.
The only thing me do is a bike, you know, but me I say no,
Bike?
so that car.
The second question. You can't spell? You can't spell?
No, can't spell no dunce. Can't spell nothing. Fully dunce.
You can't spell?
Yeah, me can.
Spell top.
Here I come. No, say me no.
When you can't spell?
Yeah.
Alright, spell the word top.
TOP.
Say it twice.
Top.
Say it one more time.
Top.
What you do at the green light?
Stop.
Yeah, boy.
Can y'all spell?
Yeah.
Y'all can spell, yeah? Okay. I want you to spell the word top.
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 Me not hear y'all spell. Spell the word top.
TAP.
No, not that one then.
TOP.
Yeah. But we want to say it together. Spell the word top.
TOP.
Say it twice.
TOP.
No, don't spell it twice. Say the word twice. Let's go again from top. Spell the word top.
TOP.
Say it twice.
Top.
Say it one more.
Top.
What do you do with the green light?
Stop.
Got him.
Look at them while you spell the word top.
Alright. I'm a type. CAT.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
You can't spell?
No, me done.
Yeah. Use the mic, bro.
Yeah, me done.
You can't, what is your spelling?
Can't read until we rap me can't spell.
You serious?
Look at them why you just spell a simple word for me. Spell top. Top.
TUP. Yeah, dog. Fully done.
Top.
TOP.
Say it twice.
TOP.
No, say the word twice.
Top.
Say it one more.
Top.
Where you do at the green light?
Stop. No more stop.
You can't spell.
Yeah, man.
Spell the word top.
Top. TAP.
No. Yeah. So spell the word top.
TAP.
No, not that one there. Top as in top.
Bottom.
Yeah, wipe on the bottom, but top on, yeah. So spell top.
TOP.
Say it 2 times.
TOP.
No, say the word.
Top.
Come here again, from top. Spell the word top.
T-O-P.
Say it twice.
Top.
Say it once more.
Top.
Where do you the green light?
Top.
You can't spell? Spell the word top.
Top.
Yeah.
T-O-P.
Say it twice.
Top.
Say it once more.
Top.
Where do you the green light?
Go. Like that.
You can't spell?
Bad speller.
Bad speller? Spell the word top.
T-O-P.
Say it twice.
T-O. Top.
Hold on. Come in again. Spell the word top.
T-O-P.
Say it twice.
Top.
Say it one more.
Top.
Where do you the green light?
You go.
You got me.
Why your favorite car, bro?
Lamborghini, dog.
Lamborghini.
Yeah, dog.
Watch your style. If you drive the Lamborghini fast down the road, you see an old woman walk out and a pregnant woman and a dog. Where you gonna hit?
Licky dog, man.
What your favorite car?
Car. A Benz.
Benz. Watch your style. If you drive the Benz, high speed, and knock it down the road, and you see an old woman, a woman with a baby, and a dog, where you gonna hit?
Me a clotty dog.
Stop it. Get some help.
What's your favorite car?
Beamer.
Mine, Hellcat.
Hellcat. Alright, let's say you're driving the Hellcat down the road. You see an old lady walk out in the street, a pregnant woman, and a dog. What you gonna hit?
The dog. The brake.
Brakes.
My nigga. She gonna hit the dog.
Mash up your Hellcat, dog.
You gonna mash up your Hellcat for you, dog? What's your favorite car?
BMW.
BMW? Alright, if you drive the BMW down the road, and you see an old woman in the road, a pregnant woman, and a dog.
We don't know them.
Where you gonna hit?
Brake.
Alright, you know that. You get 2 out of 3. So now in today, next time.
We're too embarrassed.
And next time, I'm not embarrassed, man. I'm gonna do good. Okay, here what? What's your favorite car? What's your favorite car? BMW?
Yeah.
Alright, so if you drive a BMW down the road, you see an old woman across the road, a baby mother and a dog, what you gonna hit?
Me stop the camera, not eat none of them. If not cross through, me stop the camera, not eat none of them. Means a good citizen.
You not get the first one, do you know?
Oh!
You get 2 out of 3.
Jesus, we could have with 10 grand.
So you know win the 10 grand today. Jano, and next time, big up yourself though. I just like, what your favorite car, bro?
You know, say it's a Beamer, though.
Beamer. Alright, watch your style. If you drive the Beamer down the road, you see an old woman run out in the road and a baby mother and a dog, where you gonna hit?
And just stop the car.
I drive one. A 2 out of 1 you get in, bro. So you know win the money today, no?
That good.
I know that. Big up yourself, bro. Manners. If you're driving the car down the road, you see an old woman in the road, a pregnant woman, and a dog, what you gonna hit?
Me a clotty old man.
You need psychiatric evaluation.
Yo.
What you say, dog, guy?
Yeah, dog. I like dog, you know.
So I go on.
I know you love your belly, but one way if you're smart too. You ready? You know the answer then.
Purple plus yellow.
Watch your style. We're the brightest youth in a me pen right now.
None of that.
Yo, YouTube, we're back in our place again. We're back in our place. We just jump off of the bus. And we land back in a me pen. TK, show them over there. Back in a me pen. You see me, I say. Watch your style. We are going to look for the brightest set of people right now. Make sure you subscribe and thing. You see me, I say. 1 TK, never 2, the black of the camera. See him Instagram over here, so watch it. You see that? Watch it TikTok over here, so. Jeez, make sure you go follow my dog. Follow your dog and get the page active. Watch your style. I go where I go there now and see. who we can find, you know, who are the brightest in a me pen. Man, woman, child. But yo, all dog we are interview. Huh? Anybody, yo, follow me, forward. Alright, so we're there with a 7th grade. I'm saying my the brightest thing.
Me?
Now that you just tell me.
Me? Well,
We're there with the brightest youth them in me pen. Me say them a head boy and them get whole heap of award every single week. Want to introduce yourself?
So my name Joshua.
My name Jaden.
One design for happy now.
my name Casey.
One TJ.
Amika, you know. So you have Sham, that unknown. And my one be _shy.
The brightest youth them in me pen right now. Me say I'm not the brightest man. I want y'all to introduce yourselves. DeAndre.
J Frost.
Yashi. So now shout out TikTok or
Instagram and TikTok.
Instagram and TikTok.
Instagram and TikTok. Jay-Z.
I want to say I want Davi. I know say I want Tony. I want Ruko.
we now shout out TikTok or Insta.
Davi one lap on IG. NPT Tony up on IG. Dog 2.2 on TikTok.
Look who we there with.
The fittest, you know. David, the fittest, you know.
Alright, so we're there with the brightest girl in the Mapen right now. She says she have bright sparks and her friend them a hype her up. She had the brightest thing. Watch her now. Why you just introduce yourself? Shout out to TikTok, Instagram.
My name Cyrene on TikTok.
One Shelly Boss, man.
Alright, so we're there back with the crowd favorite. Him say he want to redeem himself for win the 5K right now, live. Introduce yourself, no bad bro, make them know.
I want Malachi, you know. My gram see him.
See him.
Do no man.
Mad.
Don't know say I want Tyreek YGF on every profile.
Hi guys, I'm Chloe.
You know, shout out TikTok, Insta.
I'm Zoe. And my Instagram name, that girl Zoe _level. Is that girl Chloe?
Them
on
kind of
TikTok
shy.
and Instagram.
Them kind of shy and them nervous. Let me get some easy question. You watch my show a long time, right?
I think so.
Alright, so you must know the answer. Yeah. What goes up and down but never moves?
Elevator.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
You come back with the up and down business, but I want
That goes up and down but never moves.
Yeah.
Here.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Up and down never move. Tell us when I rest, you know, one day. Tell us when the pants but me can't answer them for true.
Shut up your mouth, man.
What goes up and down but never moves?
What go up and down but never move?
Yeah.
Your emotion?
What goes on?
Up and down but never moves.
Up and down.
Yeah.
Up and down and never age.
What goes up and down but never moves?
Yeah.
Almost I.
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying how? Like, talk to me, bro.
What goes up and down but never moves?
Stars.
What?
Age.
Yes, you need a trouble, you know. Yeah, trouble there, you want.
Age. Wait, repeat.
I think them hear me, you know.
Repeat.
What goes up and down but never moves?
Elevator.
You serious?
What goes up and down but don't move? Oxygen.
Is that?
Here, see, I'm gonna say it.
What them say?
We didn't hear evidence.
Elevator.
What you say?
Nah, answer.
You go with them? Him say H, him say elevator. What you say?
Walk up and down and never move.
Yeah.
No.
Time.
What do you mean by that?
Time. Time go up and down but never move.
Oh.
What you not say?
Choose elevator.
Elevator.
Answer, brother.
Elevator.
Yeah.
Elevator.
Yeah.
That wrong.
What goes up and never move? Hill.
Hill.
One hill.
I mean,
Hill.
hill.
Oh, you can go up one hill and you can go down here and you not go move.
Nah, come on.
To be honest.
Half mark.
Half mark.
I know that me I look for. I know a stairs me I look for, bro. Stairs.
Stairs. One no one never move.
Stairs.
Yeah, stairs.
Y'all niggas, wait that. Stairs, man. I give you one more chance. What goes up and down but never move?
Up and down but never move. Temperature.
Must say something, you know. Half mark that.
Half mark. Alright, me work with that.
But we are look for stairs.
Stairs.
I see.
Yeah. That's
alright. Second question.
Yeah.
What can clap but don't have hands?
Me see where you try now.
What me I try?
Me see where I try now. You don't think me lean? Alright, hold on. What you say now?
What can clap but don't have hands?
I can't clap without what?
Hands.
Yo, can't clap without hand.
Yeah.
Fish, like
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
Fish? Fish can clap?
No, like, just a sick. When fish come out of water, something like this one weird night, this one like clap. Okay.
Flap them a flap on the deck. Flap them a flap, man. I clap that. What can clap but don't have hands? You tell what that you see. Bro, why y'all look for me so, bro? Like me say something so. Why y'all look for me so? What can clap but don't have hands?
Clap one and
Why y'all look for him so? Why y'all look for him so?
Yo, the one of my dirty.
Nose?
Yo, what can clap but not have hands?
Say it, no?
Clap.
You want to say it?
Someone like us.
So like you want to say something, bro?
What can clap and no, say a thing, dog. You know you want to say it. Say it. What can clap and you want to say it, yeah.
Who know I win? Clap.
Your mouth. When there's one book and you clap, you make it clap sound, but you don't clap with hand. One book, bro. You can say one book. That can work.
Wait, so that can work?
That can work, man.
Them say book.
Not them, him. Not them, not him. Them don't answer all, no, him.
What can clap without hands?
I can clap without hands. Literally, as in.
What can clap without hands? Your bad teacher.
Wait, sir.
What can clap without hands?
Your foot.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
On the hard, man.
Wait, finger clap.
Yeah.
What can clap without hands?
But can clap without one hand.
Yeah.
Hey, man, batty jaw dog. You ever see a batty jaw clap yet?
Who can clap without hand?
Mm-hmm.
Me no know. Clappers.
Go answer. Jesus and himself.
Say it.
Yo, them man a mind dirty.
Yo, finger, me a say.
Finger?
Finger, me a say.
Finger can't clap your dance.
Yo, you say something, brother. Ass, bro.
Someone a bro.
Where's the ass? You like? Where's it? Ass like
Yo,
yo.
wing.
So the wing.
Wing, bro. A wings. Me I go with him.
Wing.
Ah, wings, eh?
Like what KFC have.
No, like it
wing
chicken.
Bird.
A
Wing
bird.
from bird, also.
Wing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wing.
Another dance.
oh, another time.
So I can clap without hand. So you can't tell me.
Boy, if you don't.
What can clap without hands?
Thunder.
The answer is thunder.
Me don't know about that.
Yeah, thunder clap.
A lightning clap.
Thunder.
Alright.
Thunder we I look for.
I pay half marks and I get
Be a half marks here I get, bro.
Alright.
So I won that today basically. Last one, redemption now. What have hands but can't clap?
You just give me a second question. Thunder.
And
Come.
Yeah, you got it right.
Hey, stop talk, so you're Jamaican.
What?
Stop talk, so you're
You want me
Jamaican.
chat bad?
Yeah.
Ah, third one.
Mm-hmm.
What have hand but can't clap?
We not just answer that. Answer that. No, same question that.
So give the same answer then if I see one.
Thunder.
Thunder? You know, listen to me, you know.
Repeat the question.
What have hands but can't clap?
Thunder.
What have hands but can't clap?
Oh boy, what have hand but can't clap? What have hand but can't clap?
Yeah.
How you get the question from?
What has hands but can't clap?
Thunder.
Yeah. What have hands but can't clap?
You just asked that already. Thunder.
Is it thunder?
Thunder, yeah. Thunder.
What have hands but can't clap?
Yeah.
What person?
Beg.
Stop it. Get some help.
Gloves.
Gloves.
Yeah. What claps?
What have hands without? Yeah, y'all mix me up, bro.
Brother.
Come here again. What have hands but can't clap?
What has hands?
Yeah, what have hands but can't clap?
You know, just give me answer, sir.
So tell me answer.
You see a thunder you look for.
Get the hell out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Okay. Get out! Get out!
What have hands but can't clap?
What have hands but oh, we have hands but can't clap. What?
Monkey. Yeah, you don't. Thunder now. Where's it? What have hands but can't clap? No, that wait now. What have hand but can't clap?
Have hand but can't clap.
My dog.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Dog.
A 4-foot dog have.
No part him off.
Nah, really. Have hand but can't clap. Hand but can't clap. Yo, miss. Yo. Kangaroo.
Yeah, but you know what? Me never
Where
say
say? Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Yeah. Beer. Oh,
Beer.
God, they have hand. Beer.
Milk for clock.
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 Oh, that makes sense, your friend. At least we get one still.
We get 1 out of 3, bro.
Yeah, we're not so done.
We're not so done, bro. Big up on yourself, bro. And next time, what have hands but can't clap?
What and can't clap. No, I don't know that one there. Give me 3 questions. I don't know none of them. God know.
Clock. Have hand but you can't clap. A box just a box me.
Have hand but can't clap.
Yeah.
But clock. Thunder.
Me don't think them hear me, you know.
Wait, say it again.
What have hands but can't clap?
Oh, what have hands but
clock.
can't clap.
Oh.
You're right, dad. Disabled person, brother. What you know?
Yeah, yo, I'm first.
I'm passing.
Clap me I look for, bro.
Clap.
Clock.
Clap. Oh, clap. Put a finger clack on an hand.
Me I look for clock.
Man, yo, I be a foolish go on with funny happy, brother. I want you.
Oh, me say what have hands but can't clap? No clock.
Oh, true.
Okay, you see what me I say? You no foolishness, bro.
When things, what do they call it? Clap. When things clap, clap can't clap.
Me say can't clap. A 2 questions me ask you.
think you say,
The
yo.
second question was what clap without hands?
Me think say,
And the third one is what have hands but can't clap?
Oh.
Yeah, the big man tell you.
Respect,
That is
elder, respect. But what's your name?
It sound alike.
No, you should tell me, say, yo, see other question.
What? Me not know. Me give up. Awa.
Give up?
Yeah.
It's a clock.
Oh, actually. Grass.
Yahweh, this close, you got 2.
Me not tell you something I thought so.
Only get 2.
You know, that's why I got the same question.
No?
I can't clap. This is somebody. You know, when go sound and can't clap.
Oh,
yeah.
We'll tear down and they don't answer. They can't clap, but they're
disabled and then go so.
disabled.
Artist,
They
nothing,
have hand,
nothing,
but they can't clap.
Disabled people.
Yeah. You can't say one wrong, you know.
That's wrong.
Oh, they're answering excellent way wrong.
Oh, them clap. Me not understand.
Oh, them go so they can't clap.
Alright, look on this now. Yeah. Come here, bro. A physics here. You're more physics. We are talking about bio now.
Bio.
So you have somebody, right? Their hand. Did it? Like say somebody paralyzed. He have his hand but he can't clap. So that makes sense.
They can't move what
He
they're
have
not all.
hand
So
but
the one
he
they're
can't clap. But one clock have hand. But he don't clap.
Yeah, but you don't know say
Some would not say clap.
You know say clock in the water.
No.
You know say clock in the water. This is the person still count.
Yeah, this is still count.
Alright, we get off.
Clock then clock. Give you full marks. Clock.
Clock give full mark.
Clock see full mark.
What have hands but can't clap?
Monk.
When you say monkey? No. You say monkey?
No,
What have hands but can't clap? Clock! Alright. What have hands but can't clap?
Clock. Watch.
That is it.
Wait, that one right?
They get that one right. You get one out of 3.
The one out of 3. Me get 33.33%. Then give me one half mark.
Half mark.
Yeah, man. Alright. See that? Bro, that's the word.
Big up in there. You think we broke? Yo! You have successfully made it to the end of the YouTube video. Watch your style here. We get some questions. Yeah, we get some good people today. Me not tell a lie. Them not go on bad that weekend. Me a pen not go on bad. But more give 5 more grand before me left me a pen. Olaba call me. Spain Town call me. Mandeville call me. Kingston was so forward. Remember. Watch your style, you know. Want to know, like, subscribe, share up the video, them you know what that go. 1TK the black of the camera. Remember that. Make sure you go follow him. Link in the description. Just go click that. And you know what that go. Watch your style, yeah. Until next week again, you know. Every Sunday, like clockwork. Know what that go.